When you all say feng shui is a superstition, I think the general public is more superstitious than feng shui masters. Hello everyone, this is X from YIJING house. So today I'm going to share with you on the topic on Hungry Ghost Month. Today what I'll be sharing is not about the festivities, the general do's and don'ts, but more from a feng shui perspective, okay, from a very logical and scientific approach. So during Hungry Ghost Month, there is a lot of people that say cannot get married, cannot start new business, cannot do renovation. So sometimes when you all say feng shui is a superstition, I think the general public is more superstitious than feng shui masters.
You serious?
Let's tackle them one by one. So let's talk about starting a business. Okay, there is nothing wrong with starting a business during the Hungry Ghost Month, especially if you are going to start a business that sells incense, sells joss paper, sells kim chua. When is the best time? This is the best time. Okay, don't tell me you want to wait another year. Yeah. Okay, of course, if you are doing marriage planner, bridal shop, this may not be a good time, but it's not due to Hungry Ghost Month per se. Okay, it's more due to the superstition of general public. Next, let's talk about getting married. There is really nothing wrong in getting married during the Hungry Ghost Month. Okay, especially in, I don't know about other countries, but in Singapore, you know, the rules are ever changing. 50 guests, 100 guests, must separate, must test, don't need to test, must vaccinated. So it's getting so complicated and causing a big headache for a lot of the couples. So just get married. It's not as if that when you get married, you 拜堂, then you unveil, and then you realize that it becomes a ghost bride. It does not. Okay, if you're imagining it, then you watch too much dramas and shows. Lastly, let's talk about renovation. You know, when it comes to renovation, a lot of people, especially the older generation, they will say it's no good to do renovation during the Hungry Ghost Month. There are even some people that do the reno halfway, stop during that month and continue thereafter. Okay, that is really rubbish. Of course, there are exceptions. Okay, I would say that if your house or your apartment is sitting on a ghost line, okay, that is a topic for another day. Okay, or if you happen to be very down in luck, that may not be ideal. But other than that, there is nothing wrong to start your renovation during the Hungry Ghost Month. Having said all that, of course, with major events like starting business, getting married, and doing your renovation, it is important to do a date selection. Okay, and it's regardless whether it is a Hungry Ghost Month or any other time within the year. It is important to do that so that things can go smoothly and it will have an auspicious outcome. With that, I hope I clear your suspicion and don't be so superstitious anymore.
Okay.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye. Know your fate. Master your destiny.